Like, it's just given what it's supposed to give. I know, yes. Show me some love. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Shantae. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I just wanted to bring to you guys a foundation review. I recently purchased a new foundation, and it is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I got the color Marquise, which is ranging between medium to deep. So this is the packaging. I've been seeing this review all over YouTube, so I really wanted to try it out, because normally if you are subscribed to my channel, which you should be, you know that I normally use a drugstore foundation. So I wanted to, you know, get out my comfort zone and try to start buying high-end foundation. So this is what I purchased. Now this isn't my first high-end foundation, but I wanted to try this out since it is newer. So yeah, like I said, the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation, got it in the color Marquise, and it says it's the new take on matte, comfortable, 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, true color oxidation resistant, transfer proof and shine proof. So we're going to see. Now this foundation is for normal to combination oily skin, which if you don't know, I am extremely oily. So the instructions on here says for use, apply small amounts, start in the center of your face and blend outward. So we know how to put on foundation. So we are going to try this out. I'm actually going to apply this foundation with my Real Techniques foundation brush. And also, to keep this all in the soft matte, I want to make sure that I get to see like the true wear of this foundation and the true color of this foundation. So I'm not going to highlight as much, as y'all know that I do highlight under my eyes. So I'm just going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Walnut. This color is kind of closer to my skin tone, so I wanted to kind of, you know, keep it a little neutral, keep it a little soft, keep it a little, you know, more not dramatic today. Okay, we're gonna try to keep it, you know, simple. So let's get started. And this is what the actual foundation looks like. It is so cute. It's a matte feel to it, and yes, this is the color. This is how Marquise looks in the packaging, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't look this light inside the bottle, so we're going to see. This is the color of the foundation on my hand. If y'all can't see, I might do a little close-up, but this is how it looks on camera right now. I actually got somewhere to go today, so I'm going to put this foundation on. I'm going to put a primer on with it, of course. And I got some errands to run. So I'm going to prime with the Maybelline Master Prime primer. I do not have a high-end primer just yet, but I'm going to be looking for one. So y'all leave some suggestions down below of some high-end, like real good primers for oily skin, because honey, I am oily. Okay, I love the texture of this primer, by the way, too. This is not that video, okay? So I'm just placing this wherever I get oily. Now I'm not going to be gone for 16 hours, of course, so I'm going to be gone long enough, and I'm going to make sure I wear it to get the real results of the foundation and see if it stays, you know, what it says. And it says apply a small amount, so I am going to apply a small amount. I don't want to be too much. I don't want to waste a lot of product either. Did it say it was full coverage or not? Well, it says full natural looking coverage. The color is really pretty. It is matching really well to my skin tone. So if you are around my color, the Marquise's shade will, you know, will work for you. Don't want to put too much. to get in the hairline, but not too much in the hairline. Not in the actual hair. It's not heavy feeling at all. And the color is really pretty. And it does have a natural finish to it. Like, it still looks like skin, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't look like I got a whole bunch of foundation makeup on. I like it. I really do like it. The undertone is really good. It's not gray looking. I like it. If you see me looking past the camera, I'm looking at my mirror. And I have another mirror over here. It matches my neck. So, you know, real good color. Real good coverage. Let me let y'all get a little closer. So, yeah. That is how it looks. So, like I said, I'm going to do a little highlighting. So this is a little bit older product, I think. I think I got this probably about 2 years ago. But this is the Radiant Creamy Concealer in Walnut. So I'm just gonna place a little bit, not much at all, just the highlight. Take my brush from Real Techniques. I love Real Techniques brushes. I'm just gonna blend that in. And of course, hopefully the same products from the same brand will work well together. So just a natural highlight, nothing too crazy at all. So if this is your style, just, you know, don't go too high, like light on the under eye highlight, you know. Y'all know this. Y'all know. That is so pretty. So pretty. Like, it's just given what it's supposed to give. I know, yes. I'm like soft, like this is soft like wedding. Y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up, so get this so you can be nice and soft. You know, men, they don't like all that cakey, heavy makeup look, so this would be real good to be around your man, even though, you know, we really don't care, but you know, for the occasion. So I'm just going to finish off my makeup, and then I'm going to run my errands, and then I'm going to come back with y'all to show y'all how the foundation looks at the end of the day. Alright, so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so it is now around about, well, it is 10:30 at night now. When I first started this video, when I first put on the foundation and left the house, it was 2:30 in the afternoon. So it's roughly has been about 8 hours now, and I wanted to do 8 hours so I can show you guys a full work day. So this is how I look now. I am an oily girl, and as you can see, I'm very oily, but it's kind of, the ring light is making it emphasize a little bit more than what it really looks like in person. But I am really oily right here, which is normal for me, and really in my T-zone area. But I did show you guys that I had on a mask, and I wanted to do the mask portion of the video to show the transfer of the foundation. So this is how my mask look. Now I roughly wore this mask for about 2 to 3 hours because I went to work and then I ran some errands a little bit. So that is how the mask look. As you can see, it is some transfer onto the cloth mask, but you know, it's okay. You know, it's something directly on my face, so what can you do about that? So, but yeah, this is how my face looked. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer. The color did not change, so oxidation did not happen. The color is about the same. I really do love this foundation. It was very skin-like. The foundation is true to color, and as well as I like the way it makes my skin look very soft and matte and not too cakey. I love it. Now, you know, you can build up this foundation to be as full coverage as you want it to, but I wanted to keep with that soft matte look and not too cakey of a look. But I really do like this foundation. Probably I started seeing a little bit oil pull through probably around maybe 4 hours, so that's a good thing to know. So around 4 hours I started to see a little oil come through. I did not set the foundation as well because I wanted to truly see how the foundation formed. So yeah, so that is the review of the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget to also subscribe to this YouTube channel as well as like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye.